Like all videos on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to unlike all videos on TikTok. So in order to unlike all the videos on TikTok, you have to first of all go to log in into your TikTok account. When you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page, and from the home page, go to profile. As you are on the profile section, here tap the drag bar icon from the top right hand side and scroll down a bit, go to report a problem. As you press on that, you'll be able to find multiple options. So under it, you need to go ahead and select likes, dislikes, and when you actually select that, you'll be able to see the like history or the content that you've actually liked. So right in between or right in some or nearby, you'll be able to locate the option as unlike all videos. You just press that and select the videos that you wish to unlike, and that's how you can unlike all videos on TikTok. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.